Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Dodge Journey. First, ensure your vehicle is in park. Insert the key and turn it to the start position, or press the engine start button if equipped. Listen for the engine to turn over smoothly. Before moving, take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors for a clear view of your surroundings. This ensures comfort and safety for your drive. Now, let's get familiar with the basic controls. The gear shifter allows you to select park, reverse, neutral, or drive. Your right foot operates the accelerator pedal to increase speed, while your left foot should be ready for the brake pedal to slow down or stop. Remember to use your turn signals consistently to communicate your intentions to other drivers. For a smooth and safe journey, practice gentle acceleration. Gradually press the accelerator pedal to build speed without jerking. Always maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead, ideally 3 seconds or more. When slowing down, apply the brakes smoothly and progressively. This technique enhances comfort for passengers and extends the life of your brake components. Finally, let's cover parking and shutting down your Dodge Journey. Once you've found a suitable parking spot, carefully maneuver your vehicle into place. Shift the transmission into park, then engage the parking brake for added security. Turn off the engine by turning the key to the off position or pressing the engine stop button. Always ensure all lights are off before exiting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.